بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Ululate. Word forms: third person singular present tense ululates, present participle ululating, past tense, past participle ululated. If someone ululates, they make quickly repeated loud sounds, often to express sorrow or happiness. Synonyms: howl, cry, keen, weep. He let out this long ululating moan.
Unbar. Word forms: third person singular present tense unbars, present participle unbarring, past tense, past participle unbarred. Remove the bars from a gate or door, unlock. Synonyms: unbolt, open. He unbarred the gate.
Unbind. Word forms: third person singular present tense unbinds, present participle unbinding, past tense, past participle unbound. If you unbind something or someone, you take off a piece of cloth, string, or rope that has been tied round them. Synonyms: free, undo, loosen, release. He unbound his hair and let it flow loose in the wind.
Unbonnet. Word forms: third person singular present tense unbonnet, present participle unbonneting, past tense, past participle unbonneted. To remove a cap from the head. Synonyms: uncap. He unbonneted before his teacher.
Unbosom. Word forms: third person singular present tense unbosoms, present participle unbosoming, past tense, past participle unbosomed. To relieve oneself of secrets, etc., by telling someone. Synonyms: tell, admit, reveal. He unbosomed himself to a trusty male friend.
Uncloak. Word forms: third person singular present tense uncloaks, present participle uncloaking, past tense, past participle uncloaked. To expose, reveal. Synonyms: bare, disclose, expose. She decided not to uncloak her identity.
Underestimate. Word forms: third person singular present tense underestimates, present participle underestimating, past tense, past participle underestimated. If you underestimate something, you do not realize how large or great it is or will be. Synonyms: undervalue, understate, underrate, diminish. Never underestimate what you can learn from a group of like-minded people.
Unfurl. Word forms: third person singular present tense unfurls, present participle unfurling, past tense, past participle unfurled. If you unfurl something rolled or folded such as an umbrella, sail, or flag, you open it, so that it is spread out. You can also say that it unfurls. Synonyms: open, unfold, open out, blossom. Once outside the inner breakwater, we began to unfurl all the sails.
Upholster. Word forms: third person singular present tense upholsters, present participle upholstering, past tense, past participle upholstered. To cover a chair or other type of seat with cloth and fill it with a soft substance. Synonyms: carpet, paper, varnish, tile. The chairs were upholstered in red velvet.
Utter. Word forms: third person singular present tense utters, present participle uttering, past tense, past participle uttered. If someone utters sounds or words, they say them. Synonyms: say, state, speak, voice. You fool! She uttered in disgust.
Subscribe, like and share please, thank you. It is all for you.